Spell hippo.
Hippo? Hippo.
It's Lulu.
Prepare to die.
Ma, will you punch your daughter for $1 million?
I will do it for Nutella.
Apple, would you punch mommy for $100,000?
No? What the fuck is wrong with you, bitch? Why not?
Mom, why is your chin like that?
Which one? I have two.
4. My mother as an actress.
Jennifer Aniston. Is that me? Wait again. Viola Davis.
Okay.
That's a self-portrait.
Can you? Yeah.
Can I have one?
This is mine.